At the end of Nakamaise stands Hozomon, the inner gate linking the shopping street with the main courtyard. It is larger than Kaminarimon and rises to about 21.7 meters. Two Neo-Guardian statues occupy the lower level and protect the temple from evil. The gate was once called Neomon because of these figures. After reconstruction, it became known as Hozomon, meaning treasure house gate, because its upper level stores sacred texts and temple treasures, including an important Buddhist scripture collection. The upper floor is not normally open, so the structure serves as both an entrance and a protected storehouse. After passing through Hozomon, turn around and look at the back. Two enormous straw sandals are displayed there. Each is about 4.5 meters high and represents the strength of the Neo-Guardians. Traditional belief says that evil spirits see the sandals, imagine the enormous beings capable of wearing them, and stay away. It marks the point where the commercial approach ends and the main religious area begins.